In just a few hours, we will know whether the finance minister has been able to pull out the proverbial rabbit from the hat and balance the needs of the allies and the economy. NNI spoke to economy experts who seem to have fairly low expectations from Union Budget 2012-13. Noted economist Akash Jindal feels the government needs to focus in a way which would lead to a win-win situation where we can have higher GDP, IP numbers and lesser inflation and more happy countrymen. On the popular perception that the income tax limit would be increased to 3 lakh rupees, Akash Jindal feels it won't come through as the base to increase the income tax assumption limit to that level is not yet there.
See, we have seen what has happened to Congress party in UP polls, Punjab polls. So I don't think the budget is something which would have too much to cheer for industries, for corporate sector. Whatever has happened in the state assembly elections of UP and Punjab, I expect the budget to be a bit populist budget. It could be a populist budget. So there may not be too much for the industry. I think there would be some exemption, there would be some enhancement on tax exemption limits. Though there have been suggestions that the tax exemption limit should be increased to 3 lakh rupees, but I don't think it's coming. Because if we see the deficit, I don't think we have the base, we have the ground to increase the income tax exemption limit to that level. But according to me, the exemption limits for gents could be increased by around 40,000 rupees. Ladies also it could be increased by 40,000 rupees and senior citizens could be increased by 50,000 rupees. Apart from that, housing sector has been impacted and people who have taken housing loans, they have been feeling impacted in the last year. So there could be certain income tax exemptions for housing loans. Like in housing loans for repayment of principal as well as interest, there is exemption in income tax. So I expect the principal component exemption to be increased. Also, I expect the interest component exemption to be increased for repayment of housing loans in this budget. What we were expecting from the government, from Dada in this budget, the wish list could have been, I would push the wish list at Akash Jindal 3. In Akash Jindal 3, wish list would have been implementation of GST, major disinvestment and FDI in retail. But seeing the events, the way they have been happening in the past few days, I don't think it could be a pro-reform budget. So the only thing is, they will be happy if there are no negativities for the industry, for the corporate sector. See, the deficit has been rising. Now, because of the rising deficit, perhaps there could be a possibility of increase in corporate tax. So I think what the industry and what the corporates would be looking for is that there are no harsh things, there are no harsh measures for them in the budget. I don't think they would be looking for too much of SOPs or incentives in this budget, because this I don't think can be too much of a pro-industry or a pro-corporate sector budget.